I'm Igor Kuvaev, Chief Technology Officer at ROGII. So in 2025, we're happy to see our users drilling more challenging, longer laterals, use-on tools, drilling them faster, drilling them more efficiently with tighter geological targets. We were also happy to observe the growing usage of our new technologies, Solo Data Factory for public data analysis and incorporation it into your data sets, DrillSpot for drilling optimization, as well as well planning for complex well planning in heavily drilled environment. We're also very happy to host largest ever JSTEER World Cup with top 10 participants finishing very, very close to each other. Looking forward to 2026, we are happy to bring more new technologies to our users towards JSTEERing automation, full field development, planning, as well as drilling optimization. And our main goal, as usual, is to make our users happy.